Hello, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Today, I want to talk about a skill that many English learners struggle with. Thinking on your feet, the ability to listen carefully and respond quickly in English. Have you ever had this experience? You're in a conversation. Someone asks you a question in English, and suddenly your brain goes blank. You understand part of what they said, but by the time you think of the answer, the moment is gone. Or maybe you're in a meeting and you want to contribute, but you feel nervous because you can't find the right words fast enough. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common challenges for learners. The good news is, you can train yourself to think faster, to listen better, and to speak more naturally. In this episode, Think on Your Feet, 5 exercises to improve your listening, speaking skills. I'll share 5 powerful exercises you can practice every day. These are exercises I've taught to hundreds of learners, and they really work. By the end of this lesson, you'll have practical tools to build both your listening and speaking skills, and you'll be able to respond more quickly and confidently in real conversations. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. Why thinking on your feet is hard. Before we look at the exercises, let's understand why this is so difficult. 1. Translation delay. Many learners still think in their native language, then translate into English. This process takes time, and by the time you find the words, the conversation has already moved on. 2. Fear of mistakes. Some learners hesitate because they want to be perfect. They pause too long, trying to remember the correct grammar. This slows down their response. 3. Limited active vocabulary. You may know many words passively, you understand them when you read, but they don't come to your mind quickly when you speak. 4. Lack of real practice. Listening and speaking are active skills. If you only study with books or apps, you don't train your brain to respond in real time. So, the challenge is not just English knowledge. It's about speed, confidence, and practice. And that's exactly what the 5 exercises will help you develop. Exercise 1. Shadowing conversations. The first exercise is shadowing conversations. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say immediately, like a shadow following a person. How to do it? Choose a short clip, 30-60 seconds, of a natural conversation, maybe from a TV show, YouTube interview, or podcast. Play a few seconds. Repeat exactly what you hear, trying to match the speed, rhythm, and tone. Don't pause to translate. Just listen and copy. Why it works. Shadowing trains your brain to process English at natural speed. You practice listening and speaking at the same time, which forces you to think faster. It also improves pronunciation and intonation. Example: if the speaker says, "Hey, what are you up to today?" you immediately say, "Hey, what are you up to today?" The goal is to keep pace, not to be perfect. Practice shadowing 5-10 minutes a day. Over time, you'll notice that your brain reacts faster in real conversations. Exercise 2. 1-minute response drill. The second exercise is the 1-minute response drill. Here's how it works. Take a simple question, like, "What did you do yesterday?" Or, "What's your favorite food?" Set a timer for 1 minute. Answer the question aloud, without stopping, for the entire minute. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. You might repeat yourself or pause often, but that's okay. The goal is not perfection. The goal is fluency. By forcing yourself to keep talking, you train your brain to produce English quickly without overthinking. Variation. If you have a study partner, take turns asking each other random questions. Each person has to answer for 1 minute. This drill is excellent for building speaking speed and confidence. Exercise 3. Dictation and quick summaries. The third exercise focuses on listening, dictation, and quick summaries. Step 1. Dictation. Choose a short audio clip, 30-45 seconds. Play it once and try to write down exactly what you hear. Check the transcript or subtitles to see what you missed. Step 2. Quick summary. After dictation, summarize the audio in your own words out loud. Keep it short, maybe 2-3 sentences. This double practice is powerful because dictation sharpens your listening for detail, while summarizing improves your ability to process information and respond quickly. For example, if you listen to a news clip about the weather, your summary could be, "The weather will be rainy tomorrow, so people should bring an umbrella." This exercise trains both accuracy and speed. Exercise 4. Role play with scenarios. The fourth exercise is role play with scenarios. In real life, you need to respond to situations. Ordering food, making a phone call, giving an opinion in a meeting. Practicing these scenarios helps you prepare. How to do it. Choose a scenario. Ordering coffee, asking for directions, or explaining your idea at work. Imagine the other person's possible questions. Practice responding aloud, like you're in the situation. Example. Scenario. Job interview. Question. Why should we hire you? Your practice answer. Because I have strong teamwork skills and I'm passionate about learning. By practicing scenarios, you're not only improving vocabulary, you're also training your brain to respond in context. Exercise 5. Rapid Q. Sessions. The final exercise is Rapid QA sessions. This exercise is simple but very effective. How to do it. Prepare a list of 10-15 random questions. Have a partner ask you quickly, one after another. You must answer immediately, in 5-10 seconds, without long pauses. Example. Partner. What's your favorite book? You, Harry Potter. Partner. What's the best food in your city? You, pho, definitely. The point is to answer quickly, not perfectly. This trains your reflexes. It teaches your brain to stop hesitating and just respond. If you don't have a partner, you can use flashcards or apps to generate random questions and answer them aloud, putting the exercises together. Now, you might be thinking, do I need to do all of these every day? The answer is no. Just 15-20 minutes a day is enough if you rotate the exercises. Here's a sample routine. Day 1. Shadowing 10 minutes. 1-minute response. 10 minutes. Day 2. Dictation. Summary. 15 minutes. Day 3. Role play scenarios. 20 minutes. Day 4. Rapid Q. 15 minutes. Day 5. Mix any two exercises. 20 minutes. If you stay consistent, you'll see improvements in both listening and speaking within weeks. Tips for success. Before we close, here are a few important tips. 1. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for speed and confidence first. Accuracy will come later. 2. Record yourself. Listening to your own voice is powerful for identifying mistakes. 3. Challenge yourself gradually. Start with easy clips and questions, then increase difficulty. 4. Celebrate small wins. Notice when you understand more of a podcast, or when you answer faster in conversation. These small wins will keep you motivated. Conclusion. So let's review the 5 exercises to help you think on your feet and improve your listening and speaking skills. 1. Shadowing conversations. 2. 1-minute response drill. 3. Dictation and quick summaries. 4. Role play with scenarios. 5. Rapid Q sessions. Each exercise builds a different skill, speed, accuracy, confidence, or context. Together, they give you the complete training you need to listen better and speak faster. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect, it's about being ready. When someone asks you a question, you don't have time to translate or hesitate. You need to listen, process, and respond quickly. These exercises are your training ground. So start today. Pick one exercise, practice for 10 minutes, and repeat tomorrow. Over time, you'll notice your brain becoming faster, your ears sharper, and your words smoother. Thank you for joining me today on Simple English Learning. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, which exercise will you try first? Shadowing, response drills, dictation, role play, or rapid QA? Until next time, remember, learn smart, practice daily, and speak confidently.